Here we're told that the 170th even natural number is subtracted from the 200th odd natural number. And the result is x. Find the value of x. So we don't have to count up here through all the natural numbers. That means from 1 up to really understand this question. We can use some algebra, or some algebraic thinking. Let's say that even numbers, right? What are they? Well, they're equal to some multiple of 2, always, right? So that means it's 2 times n, especially when we're dealing with natural numbers. We don't have to even work with 0. So that means, the even numbers are 2 times 1, or 2 times 2, 2 times 3, and so forth. What are odd numbers then? Well, odd numbers are just equal to what? Well, they're right next to even numbers. Well, odd numbers are set up as 2n minus 1, which is, and you could say plus 1, but here I'm going to use minus 1 because if n equals 1, right, and you're trying to find n is 1, that would mean the first odd number. It would make a lot more sense to subtract 1, because then your first odd number is 2 times 1 minus 1, which is 2 minus 1, or 1, and 1 would be the first odd natural number, right? So that works nicely. But what this does is, once you define numbers in this way, if I told you the 170th even natural number is subtracted from the 200th odd natural number, that means, well, the 170th even number is just 2 times 170. If you think about that, right? The first even number is 2 times 1. The second even number is 4, which is 2 times 2, and the third even number, right, we can list these out. 2 times 1 is 2, that's the first even number. 2 times 2 is 4, second even number. 2 times 3 equals the third even number. So 2 times n is the n even number. So here, 2 times 170 is the 170th even number, or 340, right? So now the odd number, we have the 200th odd number, so that's 2 times 200 minus 1 for the same reason. That's 399. So now we have 399 minus 340, and that equals what? Well, that equals 59. That's our answer. Thanks.